Yeah, you're inside the screen. That's not good. You're hard to see, too. Now, if you just fly up right there, there's a missing screen. Oh, you're going to try to get the door? Or it can go out the little crack down there. Sparrow, eh? Oh, my nose. Okay, now go up. That works. Just keep going towards the door. Yeah, there's a door over there. You might want to stand over there.
Actually, I don't want to put any more gravity.
Out the door. Hey! There you go. Away it goes.
It might be a male.
Male canary. Yeah. Well, whatever it is, it's free.
Hey, good job.
Yeah. That's a relief.
Unlike the way the guy just barreled up to the eagle there.
Oh, the bald eagle in Florida. Yeah. Okie doke.